So I think this is the right way. This trail starts here. That's the view of Keene Beach in the morning. Almost nobody. It's just fantastic. And you know, doing cycling really helps. It also helps hiking, because last time when I was with this other group of people at the different mountain, I was really fast, you know. Look at this. It is all slightly muddy. People, especially who fly FPV drone and does cliff diving, mountain ridge surfing, they'll say that they hike because they want to fly drone at the top of the mountain, which I think is really good, like an exercise, but also a combination. Now having some kind of more excuse or more reason to go out and do the outdoor activity is really good. So if I finish the hiking and drone flying early, I'm thinking of going to the place called Dugard Beach, which is on the other side of the island, on my car, and visit this little art gallery, photo gallery to be exact, called Red Fox Press. I want to see the photographs. I think I'm at the ledge somewhere top. Scary. I might fly drone here. And that's the old something outposts there. I think instead of visiting there, because I have to turn around after going there, just fly drone here and get the view of everything. Ooh, scary. Here is my energy drink. Mini 4. I think I flew about 30 minutes or so. First my sensor drone, and then my FPV drone. And man, these two are so different, you know. And still, the thing I need to keep in mind is that, you know, when it comes to FPV drones, the signal is everything. It's really the other YouTuber that I saw on he takes this metaphor as think as if you are flying a kite. A kite, when you're flying it, there's a kite. Kite is a drone, and you have thread in your hand. That will be the controller. If the kite goes around the mountain, building, or other side of the cliff, of course, your thread will be disconnected. The exactly same when it comes to FPV drones. Yeah, I think I see the footprints of climbers, hikers. I think this is the right way. I think there are two lakes that I just flew over with my drone. I think over there, that's the cliff of Croaghaun. Now I came a bit more farther away. I'm almost at the most western point of Akil. See, that's finally cliffs of Croaghaun, and on the top it's 680 something, 88 meters. Compared to the previous cliff, it's almost double the size. The height is huge, and you can see the trail that's going up there. But for today, I don't think I'm gonna climb there, and somewhere in the middle, if I have a good signal, I will fly my drone off the mountain and do the cliff diving and go to the parking lot again, because today I have to visit the Dugard Beach and the gallery that I mentioned, Red Fox Art Gallery, photo gallery. I want to go there, and no, I don't want to take it really far today, but definitely I will do that sometime later. I think I need to go down somewhere here. You can see the pathway near the cliff. It gets even better and better and I get closer. Wow. You know, the fact is that this is a great cliff, but I don't think it's a vertical cliff. There's the other vertical ones that really steep, just like as if the whole cliff is just diving into the ocean. But really, literally, I picked the perfect timing because of this wind. There's still wind blowing, but it's so calm compared to the normal conditions. Because my drone, they're both quite small. It is almost impossible to fly when there's a strong wind blowing. So that's pretty much it. Now I'm almost back at Keem Beach now, and I can see the Keem Beach there. So it's about 6.2 kilometers, over like a 6.5, a little bit more than 6.5 kilometers. Yeah, I learned that flying my drone, the maximum altitude limit for Avata 2 is 500 meters, so I can't went up to the highest point of the cliff. And also I think ND filter, I use ND 64 will be too much in certain conditions, but besides that it was all good and really exciting flying my FPV drone first time up on the cliff. Next time, that's see that's Croaghaun. The highest point is there. So instead of coming from here, there's a other route coming from Dulag directly up behind the mountain. So next time if I'm coming here, I'll take that route and just hike up to the highest point of the cliff. definitely I have to practice my drone skills more so that I can get even better footages. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.